How to change frame rate in Premiere Pro. Hello there, Premiere Pro users. Need to adjust the frame rate of your video project? Let's walk through how to do it quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. Launch Premiere Pro on your computer and open the project you want to work on. In the timeline panel, right-click on the sequence you want to change the frame rate for, then select Sequence Settings from the context menu. In the Sequence Settings window, locate the frame rate section. Here you can adjust the frame rate to your desired value, so click on the drop-down menu and select the new frame rate you want to use. After selecting the new frame rate, review the other sequence settings to ensure they align with your project requirements, then click OK to confirm the changes. Depending on the frame rate change, some clips may need adjustment, so Premiere Pro may prompt you to adjust the clips accordingly, so follow the on-screen instructions to modify the clips as needed. Save your project to preserve the changes, and then export your video as usual. And there you have it. You successfully changed the frame rate of your video project in Premiere Pro. Whether you're speeding things up or slowing them down, you now have full control over your project's frame rate. Happy editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.